matters of professionals through this fixed time frame of 90 days. Through this, sir, I support this bill. Thank you.
Sir, thank you so much. The Chartered Accountant, Cost and Works Accountants and Company Secretariats. Amendment Bill 2021. सरकार ने समय समय पर सीए प्रोफेशनल्स को एनकरेजमेंट किया है एवं हेल्प की है। सीए इंस्टीट्यूट ने भी अपनी पार्टनर इन नेशन बिल्डिंग अपनाया है एवं हर घड़ी सरकार की योजनाओं को एग्जीक्यूट करने के लिए हेल्प की है। टैक्स कलेक्शन की बात हो अथवा अन्य किसी योजना को लोगों के बीच में लाने की बात हो, इंस्टीट्यूट ने हमेशा सरकार के साथ दिया है। सरकार की विविध कल्याणकारी योजनाओं जैसे प्रधानमंत्री रोजगार योजना, सब्सिडी योजना, एक्सपोर्ट्स योजना, स्पेशल टैक्स जोन प्रमोशन ई योजना को जनता तक पहुंचाने में हेल्प की है। सर, आई जस्ट रिक्वेस्ट यू, आई एम जस्ट हियर. Few of my CA people from my district and from Vidarbha basically and from Nagpur, they have actually spoken to me about this bill when this bill got introduced in this house, and immediate all the chartered accountants, they came and they visited and they spoke to me about this bill, ki what should be we should bring changes in this bill. I will just give few suggestions, sir. I am always there in the support of this party and the department and with the ministry. But I just wanted to give you, because from last 74 years, these people are serving India. They are working for India. They are working for progress in the people, in the favor of this India nation. Sir, I'll just give this bill to examine only CA Amendment Act. The proposal is out-of-box suggestion of IIA. It's commercially proposed to destroy the world best and cheapest courage by privatization of it through IIA. No need to establish IIA when we have the world best CA institute, sir. And it's like we are demolishing Nalanda like institute just for competition, which is not fair, sir. I am just here to, मैं यहाँ पे सिर्फ आज बोलने के लिए आई हूँ। मैं सीए लोगों की आवाज, मेरे क्षेत्र के और विदर्भ के लोगों की, जो सीए जो प्रैक्टिस करते हैं दिन रात, पूरी सरकार को दिन रात अपना समय देते हैं कि हमारी सरकार और देश की उन्नति हो, उसके लिए साथ देते हैं, तो उनकी कुछ त्रुटियां हैं जिसको हमने एज ए सजेशन लेना चाहिए। और कमिटी को भी बहुत बार अप्रोच किया। द सीए अमेंडमेंट बिल प्रपोज टू मेक चेंजेस इन द डिसिप्लिनरी mechanism of Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. The current mechanism is robust, useful, and was only put in place about a year ago. The bill proposed to increase government nominee from 2 to 3 and reduce the member of council from 3 to 2, sir. This is the main pain what the CA people are facing, sir. अगर कोई भी एक आधा व्यक्ति जो मेडिकल प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर रहा है, अगर वो चेयर पे बैठता है, तो वो उस डॉक्टर को क्या न्याय देगा अगर वो चेयर के पास आएगा? अगर उसे पता है कि इसने इस जगह पे इस तरीके से अगर गलती की है, तो उसे किस तरीके से हमने सजा देनी चाहिए और किस तरीके से नहीं देनी चाहिए। सो दिस इज द रिकमेंडेशन, सर, फ्रॉम द सीए व्हाट आई एम गिविंग इन दिस हाउस. The current composition of disciplinary committee is 2 members appointed by the Government of India and 3 members of ICAI Council. The process so far has been smooth, practical and useful. The current system may be continued as there is no reason to change in less than decade. Currently, minimum 1 member of government should be present for a form a quorum. The bill proposed that the chairman of the bench will be government nominee and not a CA. This is the basically, sir, the chairperson, when you spoke about this. Mehtab ji spoke about this. Our Google uncle from Bengal, he spoke about this. Everybody talking about only this point. We don't have a problem about this bill. It is just the chairperson who we are appointing, he should be a CA who has actually practiced in this field, not the non-chartered accountant practitioner. And the DC mechanism is a quasi-judicial function, and only person who are from the same profession should sit in the judgment as fact are involved. The change is keen to placing non-legal or non-medical profession in the DC mechanism or bar council, medical council. The standing committee, while rejecting all the suggestions of ICAI has gone beyond its mandate and proposed sitting up. Sir, I'm always in the support of the government, and I am there, but it is just a little suggestion what I wanted to give in this house in behalf of my chartered accountant who belongs to Maharashtra and with her. Thank you so much, and I'm always there with sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Chairman.